Welcome to the very first episode of Spectra Precision Insiders. We're excited to launch this new series, bringing you the best lineup of commercial lasers in the industry. We're here on our interior set at the Carpenters Union Training Center in Monroe, Ohio, with our very first episode of the all-new Spectra Precision Insiders, where we bring you the top news and information on commercial lasers. I'm your host, Lauren White. We're going to keep you up to date on all the products, topics, and features. So let's take a look at what we have in store this season. For this episode of Spectra Precision Insiders. Now that we've gotten a glimpse into what this season has in store for us, let's dive into our first episode topic, Ultra Green, where we'll be talking about these portable green beam lasers. We have Tom Camel here today to share a little bit about these lasers.
Thank you, Lauren. We have 4 products in our laser tool family, each available in both red and green. The LT52G here has a vertical laser line, a horizontal laser line that extends 220 degrees, and 5 bright green laser dots. The dots are so bright you can see them from 200 feet away. The combination of lines and dots makes this a practical choice because it covers all laser applications. I'd like to point out one feature. It's designed with an offset with a 2-inch clearance so that the LT52G clears a floor track without the aid of an additional accessory. Very convenient on plumbing walls. Our LT58G does anything you need a laser to do. 3 bright green laser planes for horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and 90-degree alignment. Additionally, the intersection of the 2 vertical laser lines create points on the floor and ceiling for point transfer. The LT58G is also the go-to ceiling laser. Its compact size, all-day lasting rechargeable batteries, and the inclusion of a very effective ceiling mount that has fine height adjust is perfect. It's easy to mount on the ceiling and cast a bright green line around the perimeter of the room. We also have a couple smaller lasers, a green cross line, the LT20G, which is useful for horizontal and for vertical plumbing, and also a 5-dot laser, the LP51G, that has 5 bright dots which can be used for point transfer floor to ceiling, 90-degree layout, plumb alignment, and level alignment.
Those are some significant new features. Learn more online at spectralasers.com, and that's a wrap for this first episode of Spectra Precision Insiders.